Another mic tech.
Tech bro.
Mic test. Mic test number 3. The reasons why we get here is because
Because we're stuck.
yeah, we cannot check into our hostel until 2 p.m. We're so awkward in front of camera.
Yep.
You can see how us talking, how we talk. There's no intonation in here. We already have a plan for tomorrow, and it's with Mert.
To go waterfall.
Mert is the one we met at the sailing trip.
Yes.
Yeah, he's kind. You will meet him soon.
He's from Sumba,
Yeah,
but actually he's from Germany, and then he moved for work to Sumba.
Yeah.
I got sunburned,
Yeah.
and
Look.
it's painful.
So, how was the trip?
It was good. It was fun. The people was so nice, and then the
Yeah.
boat is nice, even though we booked different boat.
Yeah.
But the boat, turns out it's good.
I think it's nicer than the first one we booked.
Really?
Yeah. You
Yeah.
should book that trip.
We
I'm
want to
telling
go
you.
again.
Yeah.
There's a golden. You guys should see.
We met a lot of new people and
We make some friends.
yes, and the most important part, we saw Manta for the first time. No boundaries. Me and Manta. The current was so strong, so she gave up. I also gave up at
She's
first.
a swimmer, bro.
At first I gave up, and then I saw other people and I got FOMO. Okay, I'll jump, and I bring my DJI. Just shoot, shoot all the way, shoot.
For once, I scared to death.
Me too.
Actually, I'm not.
There's
But yeah.
Manta, there's Manta. Oh wait.
Reason to stay alive.
Reason to stay alive. Go see Manta first, and then die after that. Because there's also a shark. People saw shark and jellyfish.
Oh yeah.
They call it Medusa.
They got stung.
Yeah, they call it Medusa stung. How cool is that? You got stung by Medusa. At first, I want to get stung, and then I didn't get stung by the Medusa, so I got jealous. I got jealous and asking why. I kept asking why.
But you need to pee on it.
No,
No, if you got stung by jellyfish.
no, it's sea urchins, not Medusa stung. It's sea urchins.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wait,
Bulu
no.
babi.
You know the Friends movie? That's Monica got stung by jellyfish and then Joey pee on it.
Wait. I don't remember. We see turtles also.
Yeah, we see a lot of trash.
Yeah. You see a lot of trash because you see it from the outside.
But you swim on the trash.
Yes. I swim with the trash. So I'm one of them now. That's all we want to say. And bye, guys.
See you on the next one.
Bye, guys. See you
Bye,
at
guys.
the hostels.
This is my first time staying at the hostels and it looks nice. I just met one of my roommates and she is also friendly. It's kind of weird that I always thought talking to a stranger is scary. They don't judge me the way I thought they would be in the past. Yeah. I'm gonna open my luggage and choose a new outfit for me. I'm getting ready for the sunset. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited for sunset because we don't get to see the sunset at the boat. We're always late when it comes to showering and other stuff. We're so ready for sunset. Woo!
Here,
It's soft.
yeah, tequila usually with salt. So if you're doing the shot, you
Bapak drink. I like this one better. I'll keep mine.
Hello, hello. I'm only getting paid 2,000 rupiah for appearing in her video. I need a pay raise.
Yeah, this is from Sumba, by the way, guys. Come visit Sumba. It's
Yes,
beautiful.
you're welcome, guys. Rumah sendiri di Sumba. Selamat datang.
Hey.
Are we gonna jump?
Are you gonna jump? Nice one.
Okay, so I'm in the middle of editing. He told us right before we jumped. There were 6 tourists died there. They died, like literally died, because of jumping from the cliff. We were too stunned to speak when he told us that, but we still jumped because why not? I don't know what was on our mind that day, but yeah, it's fun. It's fun and worth it. You guys should try. He said that we need to be a strong swimmer to be able to jump from the 6 meters one, but no, we survived. And we're not a pro swimmer. We're alive now. My sister's in the backyard. And I'm hurt. In my defense, I was left there with no signal, no AC, and a plastic bag for me to throw up, which I did 3 times. I couldn't text my sister and say, "Come on, it's been 2 hours since you guys left me." So my instinct was to film it and keep complaining. Mind you, there were some kids from the village came up to me and asked for money and food, which I didn't have any at the time because I gave my wallet to my sister and I didn't bring any food. By the way, those kids were so consistent at asking. There's a signal here. There's no signal. And this is what my sister was doing with Mert in Rangko Cave. We're back at the hotel and we're starving.
Yeah.
I'm better now.
But this one is from Sikuli, guys.
Chicken quesadilla.
Enak banget daw.
You guys should try this one. It tastes so good.
By the way, this is our first meal of the day. Udon and
Yeah.
breakfast with bagel.
Hi guys, so we're gonna talk about yesterday trip. Yeah, we had the best time yesterday with Mert. At first, we just want to try the 3 meters, right? And I asked him, "Do you want to go for 6 meters?" And he said, maybe. Or you want to go? He asked, like, "You want to go?"
Yeah.
And I said, "Yeah, I want to try." The 6 meters. I go first at the 6 meters. Yeah, this is our first jump.
Yeah, this
Is it yours?
Yeah.
With no life jacket? It feels like, okay, YOLO.
But we never even jumped with the life jacket before. We don't even jump on the pool. You got sick.
Oh, yeah. We're supposed to go to the Rangko Cave. How was Rangko
And she
Cave?
cried.
Yeah, I cried. I cried because I thought they just left me for like
An hour? It's more than 2 hours.
Oh, really?
You left me for
It feels like sebentar in the cave. I
no.
think.
They left me for 2 hours and a half. Yeah, 2 hours and a half.
Like kid zombie
Yeah,
chasing her.
chasing me and kept asking for money that I don't even have. She brought all of my cash.
Rangko Cave. Oh, the water is so clear, and then the cave is so beautiful. Picture inside. Plop. Okay.
We also dropped Mert off to the airport.
Yeah. He is the chillest guy ever.
He almost missed his flight, but he's the chill type of guy. We're the one who's panicking. And the driver, Pak Iron. Mert was just like, oh, can we get my laundry first? And then, oh yeah. Right now I'm still kind of sick, but I'm not having a fever anymore. It's just nauseous. So what's today's plan?
I don't even have a plan.
We don't have a plan.
Yeah, we don't have a plan.
Handmade postcards, guys.
She got her second matcha with espresso. Guys, this is my life. And we're on our way to Starbucks. There's a driver at the street, like asking, taxi, taxi. He thought that we're tourists. Well, we are tourists. He thought that we're from China or Korea. And he said like, are you Chinese? Korean? Namaste. What the? I think he thought namaste is Korean language. Yeah. That's just funny. Chinese, Korean. Yeah, with his face expression, you guys should see. The sun has not set, but it's already beautiful. This coconut is 60 rupiah. How was the 60 rupiah coconut feels like?
Still the same as 20k rupiah.
Coconut with a view.
This book was so good. I found it relatable to my life, and yeah, it made me cry, and it just brings new perspective for me.
My breakfast. Tasha's breakfast.
So I think I'm just gonna chill because it's so freaking hot outside. I don't know why I'm whispering.
aesthetic. I thought it gonna be aesthetic.
How does it feel for you to save your money all and then go to this trip?
Adult money feels sucks. So, one last question I forgot to ask.
What is it?
How is it going back to Indo? Like, for good or not?
Naon, iya bukan.
See you at the bottom. Trying different routes right now to see which one get to the bottom first. No. You're not even at the bottom yet, and you're laughing too hard, bro. Look at me beating you, bro.
Serius? Kesini.
Licin banget.
Kesini. She's stuck. I literally took a part-time job for this whole trip so I could afford this by myself, and I did. At first I was like crazy. I work from 9 to 5. Sometimes it's not 9 to 5, sometimes it's 9 to 9. It's tiring, but it's fun because the people there are just so lovely.
Hi. Hi. So I need to pack right now because it's already 9:30. We bought this for our therapist. She's kind of like our friends now. Jane, do you want to say hi to my vlog?
Hi, I'm Jay from Malacca, Malaysia. Nice to meet you.
Maison Belmont, it's like actually very nice.
Yeah, that's ice cream. Oh, you should try that one.
Not far.
It's a
from
must
here.
try.
Oh, it's not far from here.
Yeah, we can walk.
That's mantap boy.
Mantap apa? I saw.
yeah, the current
Ada gambar. The current okay. Tak macam punya current gila.
Oh.
Current I still okay. And then I celup je, I nampak macam ada kapet warna hitam.
This is our last lunch.